Hi everyone! Welcome back to Get Your Play Online. My name is Sarah, in case we've never met before, and I am so glad that you're here. This week here at Get Your Play Online, we have an Under the Sea theme. So today we are going to be making ocean sensory bins and building with Legos. So today I have an activity for our younger friends, for our toddlers or preschoolers. So I'm so excited for our younger friends to be able to do this activity with me. It's going to be a little bit shorter to accommodate shorter, younger attention spans. So I'm going to give you an outline of the activity, and parents can help our younger friends get set up, and then we'll jump right in. So what we're going to do is you're going to need a big bin of Legos, and I'm going to be using the smaller Legos, but for our toddlers and preschoolers, the bigger kind of Legos might be helpful for their fine motor skills. That might be helpful for them, but they can use the small Legos too if that's what you have. And so we're going to be building some under the sea animals just by identifying the colors of their bodies and putting those Legos together in stacks. So that's what we're going to be doing. And then meanwhile, a grown-up can be prepping a sensory bin for your kid. So for my sensory bin, I chose to do water, and I put a little bit of blue food coloring in it just to make it more fun, and I made sure I have a towel down in case it got messy. And then I'm gonna go put some ice cubes in it, so it'll be like an Arctic Ocean sensory bin. So that's what I'm gonna do for my sensory bin, but you parent can choose whatever kind of sensory bin that you want to do for your preschooler or toddler, and you can go ahead and get prepping that. Some other options that you can do if you don't want to do a water sensory bin, some other ideas for you include one with shredded paper. You could do one with pom-poms, with beads. Obviously, you know where your child is at developmentally and what would be appropriate and safe for your child, so you can put those considerations into mind. Some other ideas include beans, rice, and we already mentioned water. So those are some ideas for sensory bins. So yeah, so here's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing your child how to build stacks of Legos based on the colors of animals that live under the sea, and then we will put our Legos, our Lego little animal stacks, in our sensory bins and play around with them a little bit there. So yeah, it's going to be a shorter activity for shorter attention spans. So that's what we're doing today. I'm so glad that you're all here, and we're going to go ahead and get started. All right? Okay. So hi everyone. My name is Sarah, and today we are going to be building with our Legos. So you can get your bin of Legos. Today we're going to be building some stacks of Legos that are the colors of animals that live under the sea. Can you think of an animal that lives under the sea? What's an animal that lives in the ocean? Can you think of one? I can think of some. I think of sea turtles, and I think of fish, like Nemo from Finding Nemo, right? I think of Nemo, and I think of whales and sharks, and penguins like to live by the sea too. Those are all animals that live under the sea. Today we're going to be building some Legos from the colors of animals that live under the sea. So let's think first. Another animal that lives under the sea is a crab. So look in your Legos. What color is a crab? Can you tell me what color a crab is? What color is a crab? Red. A lot of crabs are red. So we're going to build a stack of red Legos. So dig through your Lego bin and see if you can find some red Legos. Get some red Legos. Dig through and find some red Legos. Look, I found one in mine. Can you find some red Legos in your bin? Oh, I found another one in mine. Finding some red Legos. Find some red Legos. This is what red looks like. Find some red Legos for your crab. Can you find some red? Did you find some red Legos? I found some more red Legos. Look. Okay, now put them together. Build them up into a stack. Can you put your red Legos together? Put them together. Great job. This is the color of a crab. A crab lives in the ocean and under the sea. A crab lives under the sea. Good job. Okay, now take this and put it off to the side. Another animal that lives under the sea is a polar bear. Do you know what color a polar bear is? A polar bear is white. Now dig through your bin and find some white Legos. Find some white Legos so we can build a stack. We can build a tower of white Legos. That's what it looks like. Find some white Legos. Found another one. Are you finding some white Legos? I found another one. When you find them, stick them together. So you can make a stack. You can make a stick of your white Legos. I'm putting my white Legos together. Right. There's my stack of white Legos because polar bears are white. Great job. Okay, another animal that lives in the ocean is a shark. Do you know any songs about sharks? I bet you do. Do you know the song Baby Shark? Yeah. Well, we don't have to sing it right now, but I bet you do know that song. All right, what color are sharks? Sharks are usually gray. So look through your Lego bin and see if you have any gray Legos. If you can't find any gray Legos, you can do blue, okay? So look through and see if you can find any gray Legos or blue Legos. I found some! Look! Did you find any gray Legos? If you don't see any gray ones, find some blue ones. Stick them together. Okay, here's my gray ones. Because gray is the color of sharks. Okay. Do you think we can do an animal that has two colors now? Okay. Another animal that lives under the sea is a sea turtle. And sea turtles are green and brown. Two colors, green and brown. So look through your Lego bin and find green and brown Legos, okay? Green and brown. Did you find some? Did you find some green and brown ones yet? I found some brown ones. Still looking. I'm going to do some more digging. I found a green one. Here's some more green ones. These are bright green ones. Okay, here's my green and brown because that's the color of sea turtles. Great job. Here's another animal that has two colors, a penguin. What colors are penguins? Do you know? What colors are they? They're black and white. So look through your Lego bin and find some black and white Legos. I found a black one. I found a white one. Are you finding some black and white Legos? Keep looking. Black and white is the color of penguins. Okay, here's my black and white because penguins are black and white, and penguins live by the ocean. They live in the really cold ocean. It's called the Arctic Ocean. Okay, so we made lots of different Lego things. Remember, we made this one because crabs are red. We made this one because polar bears are white. We made this one because sharks are gray. We made this one because sea turtles are green and brown. We made this one because penguins are black and white. Great job! Okay, now I hope that your grown-up will soon have your sensory bin ready for you. So here's what mine looks like. It is a bin of water and it's blue, but I have something that I have to add to it. So let me go run and get it. I have a special surprise that I'm gonna add into it. Ready? I'll be right back. Look what it is. It's ice cubes. They were in my freezer so that they would stay cold and not melt. So I'm gonna put them in my bin and it's gonna get really cold. Okay. Oh, they're so cold. So look at my bin. Whoa, it has ice cubes in it and now it's really cold. Wow. It looks like the Arctic Ocean. That's the ocean that has really cold, that's really cold. That's where the polar bears live. Wow. Okay, well let's put our Legos in our bin. Put them in. Look, mine float in my bin. That's fun. Cool. My bin feels really cold because it has ice cubes in it. Wow. That's so fun. Cool. Well, now you can play with your bin that a grown-up made you, and maybe a grown-up can get you some cups or some other toys to put in your bin to be able to play with it even more. But thanks for watching this with me today, and great job on building with your Legos and looking around for your colors. Great job, you're super smart. So thanks for watching this with me. Again, my name is Sarah, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!